The world of Ethereum has been buzzing this week, as fresh developments are shaping the future of this leading cryptocurrency. Just recently, we witnessed a significant price surge, drawing the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. If you're a retail investor, you'll want to know what's driving this momentum and how it could impact your portfolio. With potential shifts in market sentiment and new updates on Ethereum's network upgrades, there are crucial insights that could affect your next trading move. So stick around, because understanding these trends could make a difference in your investment strategy this week. Ethereum's price recently surged to around $2,000, marking a significant increase of nearly 15% over the past week. This uptick is largely driven by growing anticipation surrounding the much-anticipated Shanghai upgrade, which is expected to unlock over $30 billion worth of staked ETH. For U.S. retail investors, this could mean a considerable opportunity to capitalize on these developments. Major platforms like Coinbase and Fidelity are already gearing up to support users who want to take advantage of the surge. Coinbase, for instance, has seen a spike in trading volume as more investors flock to buy Ethereum. This trend indicates that interest among retail traders is growing, which can lead to even more upward pressure on the price. Additionally, the SEC's recent focus on crypto regulations could play a role in stabilizing the market. As the regulatory framework becomes clearer, investors may feel more confident participating in Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. This clarity could lead to higher institutional investments, further driving up the price. If Ethereum maintains its current momentum, analysts predict it could reach the $2,200 mark within the next few weeks. For U.S. investors, keeping an eye on these developments is crucial as they navigate their trading strategies. And don't forget, any gains you make will need to be reported to the IRS, so plan ahead for tax implications. With all these factors in play, now is the time to stay informed and prepare for potential opportunities in the Ethereum market. As we dive deeper into the Ethereum market this week, let's explore a concrete scenario for U.S. retail investors. Imagine you're looking to invest $1,000 in Ethereum, and you're weighing your options between two popular platforms, Coinbase and Kraken. On Coinbase, you'd face a trading fee of about 1.49% for buying Ethereum. That means your initial investment would cost you $14.90 just to execute the trade. With $985 left, you'd then be buying Ethereum at whatever the current price is, which could fluctuate throughout the day. Meanwhile, if you opt for Kraken, their trading fee is a bit lower at around 0.16% for a maker order. This means you'd only pay $1.60 to make that same $1,000 investment. That leaves you with $998.40 to invest in Ethereum, getting you significantly more exposure compared to Coinbase. Now here's what nobody is saying. Those fees can really eat into your potential profits. If Ethereum experiences a price jump, the additional $12 you could have invested could mean the difference between a small gain and a substantial one. Let's say Ethereum rises by 10% this week, a realistic scenario given its volatility. If you purchase through Coinbase, your total investment would be worth approximately $1,083.50, reflecting a profit of about $83.50. However, with Kraken, your investment would be worth around $1,098.40, translating to a profit of nearly $98.40. That's an additional $15 in your pocket, which could be reinvested or saved for your future. The difference in trading fees might seem minor at first glance, but over time, it can have a significant impact on your overall returns. As a retail trader, scrutinizing these costs can be just as important as tracking Ethereum's price movements. Don't forget that institutional interest in Ethereum is on the rise, and any news surrounding ETF approvals could affect prices further. Keeping an eye on these developments could help you make better-informed decisions in the coming weeks. So, as you consider your options this week, remember that every dollar counts. Be strategic about where and how you invest, and you may just find yourself ahead in the game. All right. Let's dive into some actionable steps you can take this week to navigate the Ethereum landscape effectively. First up, keep an eye on any news regarding Ethereum ETFs. If the SEC gives a nod of approval, we could see a significant price uptick. Consider setting up alerts on platforms like Coinbase or Kraken to notify you of any announcements. This way, you'll be ready to act quickly. Next, review your investment strategy. If you're a retail investor, think about allocating a portion of your portfolio to Ethereum. A good rule of thumb is to invest no more than 5-10% of your total holdings in any single asset. This week, Consider whether you want to buy at current prices or wait for a dip. Third, monitor trading patterns closely. If you notice Ethereum's price starting to rise consistently, that could indicate a potential bullish trend. Don't hesitate to use tools like trading screens on platforms like eToro or Robinhood to analyze market movements effectively. Also, consider staking your Ethereum if you're holding it long term. Platforms like Gemini and Crypto.com allow you to earn rewards on your holdings. This week, you might want to check the staking rates and see if they align with your investment goals. Finally, don't forget about the tax implications of your trades. If you're planning to sell, ensure you understand how capital gains work with the IRS. You could benefit from consulting a tax advisor this week to prepare for any potential gains or losses. Being proactive in these areas can set you up for success, so stay informed and make your moves wisely. As we look ahead to the next 90 days, Ethereum's price action could be influenced by both market sentiment and regulatory developments. For retail investors, staying informed on these factors will be crucial in navigating potential fluctuations. Remember, adapting to changes in the market is key to making the most of your investments. If you want to stay updated on all the latest trends and insights, subscribe to the channel for daily crypto updates. What do you think Ethereum's price will look like in 3 months? Share your thoughts in the comments below.